Are you recording? Has it started?
She's gonna rap hateful in part.
You're pointing at my.
It was actually aiming for your mouth.
Wait, I'm just gonna say, I got a sore throat, so, yeah, pretty much. Can you, yes I do, don't lie. Okay, zoom out, I don't like close-ups.
Nothing. Made it from the bottom, no team named Skelly. Only my trust out with the sugar button. Tell me to catch up.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I don't rap in front of people and crowds. Okay, come on. I want to see the video. I want to see the video. Wait, let's keep talking. That's Maria. Don't like it, right? We're gonna do a music video with that band. If you saw it in other vlogs. No, we were supposed to do it today. Though. Yeah, but I didn't want to do it today.
How come?
It's not your decision, okay? Yeah, it is. It's my phone that we're recording with. Because mine's paused. Oh yeah, you're right. Mine pauses. Yeah, exactly. So then we can go to like a different location and it'll be like, yeah, right guys? Right guys? I got you.
And close it up.
And I'm gonna edit it on YouTube and then like.
But I want to see the video first before you leave. Come on.
Okay, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.